Namaste everybody, this is Kumari Kancharai. Today I am here to raise a concern which is directly or indirectly related to the Takhta Palat in Bangladesh. We must be knowing that Bangladesh is going under a very crisis, under civil war. A civil war situation has been arise due to the lenient approach of the government as well as the courts. The second thing which is happening is that the Sheikh Hasina, Prime Minister of Bangladesh, has already resigned and she has landed to India. And might be possible, it has been also said till now that might be possible that she will be leaving India. And most important is that whether India will provide asylum to her, whether India will provide any kind of residence to her. But it is also coming out of the news that she will be leaving for the Britain. So apart from it, the reason behind Bangladesh the crisis is the reservation which is provided to the martyrs and to the family of those martyrs. What happened 2 or 3 days before in India, that there was a case over which I have already made a video, that is State of Punjab versus Devendra Singh case, in which Supreme Court has allowed the subcategorization of SCs and STs, in which on 21st of August there is a mass Bharat Bandh has been announced by different SC/STs political unions as well as the unions who are representing those community. So ये ऐसा सिचुएशन 2018 का याद करिएगा, 2 और 3 अप्रैल का, जिस वक्त भारत में आगजनी की गई थी जगह जगह पे, सिर्फ इस बात से कि इस सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने SC/ST एट्रोसिटीज एक्ट जो है उसमें एक भारी बदलाव किया था, जिसमें कि आप प्राइमा फेसाई विदाउट एनी प्रिलिमिनरी इंक्वायरी जो बेल के अरेस्ट के प्रोविजंस थे उनको लीनियंट किया था और डीएम के हाथ में पावर दे दी थी. लेकिन उसको लेकर एक अफवाह फैलाई जाती है कि रिजर्वेशन खतरे में है और फलाना ढिमकाना, पूरे देश में बहुत बड़े लेवल पे आगजनी होती है. कहीं सेम ऐसी स्थिति ना पनप जाए, क्योंकि बीइंग द लॉ स्टूडेंट आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन फन टू फाइंड आउट द रीजन्स और टू द lacunas or laps where the country's judicial system as well as the legislature and executive is getting failed. So I am raising a concern that Indian government or government of different states as well as administration must be conscious about the fact that might be possible on 21st of August they could take this same thing happen in India, क्योंकि border line पे border पे यही चीजें हो रही हैं. Now today at 3:55 we have seen that S. Jaishankar has given his statement in Rajya Sabha by saying that we are taking care of each and every aspects of this Bangladesh Takhta Palat and all party meet has come into existence and all party is showing togetherness or unity on this point of time, which is very important. But one of the most important thing which I am here to raise is that कि जो जजमेंट आया है उसको लेकर बहुत बड़ा अफवाह फैलाया जा रहा है, फिर से फैलाई जा रही है और वही 2018 वाली स्थिति ना पनप जाए. इसलिए आई वुड से कि आप कोई भी व्यक्ति इसके भ्रम में न आए, कोई ऐसी बातों पे लाठी डंडा उठाने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो सब कैटेगराइजेशन का मुद्दा है SC/ST कम्युनिटी में वो बेहद जायज है और अगर आप खुद उठाकर देखें तो आपको पता चलेगा कि क्यों कहा जा रहा है, क्योंकि बेनिफिट अफॉर्मेटिव एक्शंस के लिए लिए गए थे, नॉट टू प्रोवाइड टू मेक यू पैरालाइज so that you can stand by that kind of lathi. So mind it, I hope that would be informative and it's a little concern rather allegation. Thank you so much.